Silav! Hello everyone!
Hey there!
Welcome to Kurdish language activities. Today, me and my friend, we will have a great time by introducing you Kurdish words which Turkish people took. First of all, let's listen my friend.
Hello there, my name is Banu. I'm a friend of Garip. And today I'm here to have some fun.
Yes.
In Kurdish, I think.
Yes. As she says, she is my friend, and in this video, I will tell her some words in Kurdish, and she will try to find the word that word reminds her in Turkish one. Okay? Here we go. We can start?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let's look. I use my mobile phone. Okay, here it comes. The first word. Queen Huar.
But that's difficult.
Okay, think about it. Queen Huar.
Queen Huar.
Yeah, Queen Huar.
Queen.
Maybe wildness can help you about that.
Does it sound kind of similar in Turkish?
Yes.
Hunhar!
Yes, exactly. Hunhar in Turkish and Queen Huar in Kurdish.
Wow, and what's the meaning?
Actually, in Kurdish, Queen Huar means the one who sucks the blood. Blood sucker. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Because
wow.
queen is blood and huar, it means to drink, to eat.
Interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
The second one.
Okay.
Durbin.
Ah, dürbün.
Yes, very
That's
good.
easy.
Yeah. In Turkish
Okay.
it is
Dürbün.
durbin. Yeah. Durbin, binocular. Actually, this word it's in Kurdish and it means to see far. Because dur means far in Kurdish, and bin it's the stem of verb ditin, which means to see. Durbin.
Durbin.
Yeah, durbin.
Durbin.
Yeah. Okay. The third word. Çarmıh.
Is it charmı or çarmık in Turkish? I don't know.
I guess.
Çarmı.
Yeah, it ends with H.
Charmı.
Yeah,
Okay.
çarmıh in
Like
Turkish.
the one they put Jesus on.
Yeah,
Okay.
çarmıh. Çarmıh, actually, it is also Kurdish. Çar means four in Kurdish, and mıh is, what is that thing?
Nail?
Stuff. Yeah, nail. Yeah, çar nails. Four nails. It means that. Çarmıh.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, mıh means a nail in Kurdish.
Ah, okay.
And also bızmar they say.
And the next one?
Fourth one. Çetel.
Çetel.
Çetel.
Çatal.
Yeah.
Fork. Okay.
Yeah, fork. In Kurdish, for, char. It is the same mentality in English. Fork, it comes from four because of the
Fork.
shape of it. And in Kurdish also, it's like that because it means çatel, four metal sticks. That's why we call it çatel. By the time in Kurdish also, we say çatal. Number 5, Nexweş.
Can you say it again?
Nexweş.
Nexweş.
Yeah.
Not neşe, right?
No, actually it's opposite of it.
Can you say it again?
Nexweş.
Nefret. No.
By the way, you say some Turkish words, so you need to say the
Meaning?
meanings, yeah, so
Yeah.
that everyone can understand.
What was it?
Nexweş. Nexweş.
No, I can't find it. I don't know.
You use it like na, something not good.
Nahoş.
Yeah.
Nahoş.
Yes.
Nahoş. Not good. Right
And
now.
Hwesh means nice. It means not nice. And also it means ill.
Ill.
Yeah. For example, if you say as nexweşim, it means I am ill.
So I'm not feeling very good.
Yeah. Okay. The 6th word is coming, and it is Tırşin.
Tırşin.
Yeah, Tırşin.
Tırşin. Any hint? Any tips?
There was a famous movie in Yeşilçam. They were fighting over it, about which ingredients put it inside.
Turşu.
Yes! Yes, exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
turşu.
Tırş, actually, it means sour in Kurdish. Tırşin is, the one is sour. The suffix in, we use it to make, like wooden.
Okay.
The 7th word is coming. Sarhoş. I guess.
Sarhoş.
Yeah, you know that word.
Yeah, because it's me all the time.
You never had that difficult.
Yeah.
Okay. Because
Drunk.
she's sarhoş, drunk. Yes.
Yeah, I'm a heavy drinker.
Yeah. In Kurdish, it means ser means hat, and
Ah.
xwest means nice. Your hat is nice,
yeah,
you know?
okay.
Actually, it means that beautiful hat. If you drink a lot, you will have
Yeah,
a
we
nice
say it in
hat.
Turkish too. Kafam çok güzel.
Yes, but you don't use the trunk word as güzel kafa.
Ah, yes.
That's why you use it as a sentence, but in Kurdish it's a word. Serxwest.
Yeah, okay. Now I got it.
Okay. The next one, peri.
Harry. Harry.
Katy Perry.
Harry, right?
Yeah, fairy.
The beautiful.
Yeah, fairy.
Magical.
Fairy. Yeah,
Yeah,
fairy.
fairy.
So peri, it comes from the word per, wings in Kurdish. Peri means the one who has wings, which fairies have wings, and chickens, but they are not so.
Magical.
Yeah. They just say.
He's always like this.
Okay, the next one is coming. Hafte.
Hafta.
Oh yes, right! You did it, girl!
I'm so good.
Yes, you're amazing. Okay, so hafte, it's a number actually in Kurdish. Haft, which means 7 in Kurdish. By the way, hafte in Kurdish means week and hafta in Turkish. And as you know, there are 7 days in a week. That's why in Kurdish we say hafte, which means like 70s, something like that. Okay, the next one is reber.
Reber.
Reber.
Rehber.
Yes,
Really?
rehber. Like
Rehber,
guide.
guide.
Guide,
Yeah,
yes. Guide in English and rehber
But
in
as
Turkish.
a person or in
Yes. And reber in Kurdish, you know, it has 2 words inside, like re, which means way, and ber, which means in front of it. So the one who shows the way.
Nice.
Yeah, reber. 11th. No, 10th. I skipped one, so I will say it too. Çarçove.
Ha, that's easy. Çerçeve.
Yes!
Frame.
The same things. Char means 4 again. Çarçove means
Okay.
chov is like stick, 4 sticks, because you know it's frame. A frame has 4 sticks around. The 11th one, Dijmin, yeah. Dijmin. It's a fight word.
Not an adjective.
It's an adjective. You use it for someone, but someone that you don't like.
Düşman.
Yes. What is it? What is it?
Düşman, enemy.
Yeah, enemy. And in Kurdish it is Dijmin.
Dijmin.
Yeah, there are 2 words in it, which
Dish.
min,
Min, my.
me. Yes. Dish is like anti, the one against me. Dijmin.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah, the one who is against me, so I have to kill him. No. No. No. Never. Okay. I don't know. I guess it is 13th. Serseri.
Serseri.
Yeah. The same.
We have lots of similar words actually.
Actually, we don't have similar words.
You
know.
tried hard to find those? For me? Just for me? Oh,
Yeah, no.
you're
I
so
just
cute.
wanted to make you feel comfortable. Okay, serseri, yes, serseri, which means, you know, bastard.
Really?
In Kurdish, it is like that.
Huh, okay.
Because serseri means the one who has no job and always in the street and doing bad things to the other people. And serseri means the one who has hat over his head. Serseri. Ser means hat, by the way. That's why he is doing this kind of things.
Like absent.
Yeah, something like that. If your head is over your head.
But it's
So where is your head? Where is your real head? Where is my mind? The next one, derzi.
derzi.
Yeah. Derzi. You really love it and you have so many words with that. You go there and you fix your clothes.
Terzi.
Yes!
I love terzi.
Tailor. But in Kurdish it is not tailor. Derzi means pin.
İğne.
Yes. Terzi is the person. Derzi is the pin with D, derzi. And terzi means the person who works with pin.
So it's the
To
same in
sew.
Kurdish. Derzi is the pin and
Yes,
terzi is the
terzi.
person who...
Yes.
Okay, so we're done?
Yes.
How was it?
I think it was
Was I good?
good. Yeah, you were really good, but also the words were very easy.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah,
very much.
Because I didn't want you to get so much pain while finding the meaning.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, my dear. I thank you because you came here. Yeah, I'm really happy because of your
No,
presence.
thank you for inviting me. Thank
And
you.
that means everything. I mean, of course, she's beautiful, but she's also very nice.
Thank you.
And you say something about me.
I love him. He's one of my best friends. It's been 3 years, right?
No,
3 years ago.
we started 4th year.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Time passes really
Yeah.
fast. Yeah. Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, let's say goodbye now.
Okay, so
Okay, what's the Kurdish word for goodbye?
Khatirewe.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, no, you will say.
Say it again.
B'Khatirewe. Yes,
B'Khatirewe.
B'Khatirewe. Bye bye.